Every day, millions of us reach for our trusted cleaning products, wielding them as the first line of defense against dirt and germs. But have you ever paused to wonder what's really inside these seemingly innocuous bottles? Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden world of everyday cleaning products, exploring their origins, the chemistry within, and their impact on our environment and health. As we glide through gleaming kitchens and spotless bathrooms, it's easy to be seduced by the promise of cleanliness and safety. Yet, hidden beneath the surface lies a complex concoction of chemicals engineered to fight grime but often leaving behind a trail of questions. The cleaning products we use daily are the result of decades of scientific advancement, born from a desire to make our lives easier and our homes healthier. But what price do we pay for this convenience? At the heart of many cleaning products are surfactants, chemical warriors that break down grease and lift away dirt. These compounds, derived from both natural and synthetic sources, are the backbone of most detergents, working tirelessly to emulsify oils and capture dirt particles. Yet, while surfactants are indispensable for cleaning, their environmental footprint cannot be ignored. Once washed down the drain, they journey to our waterways, where they can disrupt aquatic ecosystems and linger in the environment. Beyond surfactants, our cleaning arsenal is often fortified with a range of preservatives, fragrances, and dyes, each with its own role and potential consequences. Preservatives extend the shelf life of products, preventing the growth of bacteria and mold. However, some commonly used preservatives, such as formaldehyde releases, have raised concerns due to their potential as allergens or carcinogens. Meanwhile, synthetic fragrances, designed to leave a refreshing scent, may contain phthalates, which have been linked to hormone disruption. The vibrant colors of some cleaning solutions are courtesy of synthetic dyes, meant to appeal to our senses. Yet, these dyes can sometimes cause skin irritation or allergic reactions, especially in those with sensitive skin. As we delve deeper, it becomes clear that the cocktail of chemicals found in these products is both a marvel of modern chemistry and a cause for caution. While regulatory bodies strive to ensure the safety of cleaning products, the lack of mandatory ingredient disclosure leaves consumers in the dark. Labels often feature vague terms like fragrance or preservative, offering little insight into the complex chemistry within. This opacity fuels growing consumer demand for transparency and greener alternatives, prompting manufacturers to innovate and reformulate with sustainability in mind. The emergence of eco-friendly cleaning products marks a pivotal shift towards a more conscientious approach. Plant-based surfactants, biodegradable formulas, and essential oils are paving the way for a new era, where performance and environmental stewardship go hand in hand. These products aim to minimize harm to our planet while maintaining the efficacy we've come to expect. As our journey draws to a close, we must ask ourselves, are we truly aware of what we are inviting into our homes? The story of cleaning products is not just about chemistry, it's about choice. With knowledge comes the power to make informed decisions, to seek alternatives that align with our values, and to push for greater transparency in an industry that touches every aspect of our lives. In the end, the quest for cleanliness need not come at the expense of our health or the environment. By understanding what's really inside our everyday cleaning products, we take the first step towards a cleaner, safer, and more sustainable future.